Bullhorn never too heavy for bullhead. This is a proverb that originates from the rich oral traditions of Jamaica, where metaphors drawn from daily life, like farming and just observing animals, help to convey wisdom. Bulls are known for their strength and endurance. Carrying their horns is naturally a part of their identity. Similarly, this saying reminds individuals that life's burdens are tailored to their unique capacity to bear them. In Jamaican culture, resilience is a cornerstone of our identity. From enduring the hardships of the Middle Passage, slavery, colonialism, to embracing independence and thriving wherever we touch down in the world. Jamaicans have a deeply ingrained belief in our ability to persevere and triumph. This proverb reflects the spirit of overcoming adversity, staying grounded in faith, and trusting that whatever challenges we face are never insurmountable. This proverb is a reminder that even in our darkest moments, we possess the strength to endure and thrive. Life may not give us easy paths, but it certainly equips us with the tools, whether it be faith, courage, or resilience, to navigate them.